everything you need to create and do a test cut is in this box. It comes with a standard sticky mat, so if you've got cardstock and papers in your stash, you can use this Cricut Joy right after you set it up. If you don't have much in your stash, you can look at buying some extras like these card and envelope packs or these smart vinyl rolls in some pretty cool colors for stickers, labels and clothing. And there'll be more about all these goodies in another video. My name's Donna and welcome to video 2, and I'm doing a collab with Cricut Australia. The Cricut Joy is a smart cutting machine and is your DIY best friend. Don't be fooled by the size of this. This is not a toy. Even though it's little, you might think, oh okay, it's a bit smaller than I thought. It is a compact smart cutting machine, but it doesn't only cut, it actually draws as well. It's a sort of machine that when you pick it up, you're going to go, oh, it's got some weight to it and it's really good quality. When you open it up, this is where the blade is. You've got a protective piece of foam in there. You just take that out and chuck it. That's the little door that opens up that holds your blade in place. When you open that little door, you lift your blade out. It's pretty easy to use. That's it. There's nothing more to do with this part of the cutting section. You feed the mat or your vinyl into this part here and it comes out the back here. So if that was my wall, I would not sit that close up to the wall because when I put my mat in here, it needs to be able to come out here, move backwards and forwards. So you need to have space there for that. Because there's no on and off switch on this machine, you're gonna control it by the power point. The only way you turn it on is by using your power point switch. So you just get this 2-piece power pack, plug that into that one. Once that's in there, turn this little Joy around and locate the port there for that and connect those two up. First thing I'm going to do is plug in the power because this is my on and off switch. So I'm just going to plug that in. The light will come on the top here. The rollers here started moving. You get in the box a pen. We will not be doing a pen in the demo of this video. We'll do it on a separate video. Then you've got your starter pack here. When you open this up, there's 3 steps. So it tells you what to do. Step 1, step 2, step 3. So we'll put that aside for a second. You've got your warranty. So look up this information here so you know what to do about your warranty. So you've got a sample piece of cardstock to do a test cut. And you've got a sample piece of smart vinyl. And I'll tell you a bit about that in a minute. And you get a standard grip mat. Now the mat has a protective coating on it. You need to remove the coating, and where all the squares are marked on the mat here, it's sticky. This is to hold down your cardstock while the Cricut Joy makes its cuts. And then that goes into these 2 feeds here. Now let's take a look at the sample of smart vinyl. This piece here, see how it's got the white lines down either side? When you turn it over, it says Cricut Smart Vinyl. What this is the vinyl that's on its own mat. So you do not need to use this mat. You don't get this and sit it on the mat like we just glued this cardstock down. This acts as its own mat. So that also fits in these 2 little slots here. And then we just feed that in. When the machine's turned on, it will feed itself into there automatically. Now I've taken the cardboard off the mat. I'm going to get the protective sheet and put it straight back over this sticky mat. Always do that. Don't ever forget to do that, or you'll come back in and find a fly, a bug, or your cat hair on this mat if you've got a cat. That's all for this video, what's in the box. Now go to the next video and I'll show you how to set up your Cricut Joy to use from a desktop computer. Ciao for now.